So my name is Tom Cape. I'm formerly the Chief Executive of Kappa Blue, recently acquired by Arqiva. So I'm now, my title is now Director of Kappa Blue at Arqiva. The interesting thing, I guess, about the acquisition of Kappa by Arqiva is about TV convergence, ultimately. Arqiva have a very strong broadcast heritage, and Kappa Blue from the OTT on-demand space and doing online services for broadcasters. We think it's a really interesting combination that we're actually starting to see TV and traditional broadcast TV services and online services coming together in a sort of hybrid convergent space. So it's been very interesting for us to have this opportunity to work in that way, where you start to think of over-the-top services as being broadcast quality. So it's not smaller companies like Kappa Blue was just doing services off on the side. It's now an inherent part of broadcast and delivered in the way that broadcast services should be: high quality, reliable, working 24/7, and in a way that's really sort of maximising the customer experience. So it's very interesting, that side of things. And in terms of the advertising market, there's some interesting areas around this. So we've been looking quite extensively at second screen and how you can marry the online second screen environment with the broadcast environment to create some interesting advertising and sponsorship opportunities. And particularly with Arqiva's heritage in running broadcast infrastructure, how you can create an environment where those two ecosystems come together to create some compelling sort of marketing and advertising opportunities. Also with that as well, dynamic advertising, the ability to have a more interactive two-way conversation around advertising on the television itself, such as dynamic ad insertion and those sort of things, particularly in the on-demand world. So there's a whole host of opportunities that comes about when you combine the power of the internet and the power of broadcast television. And that's really what we're about working with Arqiva and our traditional broadcast friends at Arqiva.